Paimio Sanatorium, Alvar and Aino Aalto's architectural masterpiece. Paimio Sanatorium is a key site of architecture, furniture design and innovation in Finland. The sanatorium represents humane architecture of well-being, a philosophy that continues to this day. The building served exclusively as a tuberculosis sanatorium until the early 1960s. Aalto's starting point for the design of the sanatorium was to make the building itself a contributor to the healing process. A tuberculosis sanatorium was particularly suitable for a building which followed the tenets of the new functionalism. In the early years, the only known cure for tuberculosis was complete rest in an environment with clean air and sunshine. Currently, the sanatorium is being transformed into a cultural and learning center by the Paimio Sanatorium Foundation. There are plans to nominate it among 12 other buildings designed by Alvar Aalto as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.